Hi there, welcome to Infinite Source Creator. Today I'm going to teach you how to build positive momentum, which is crucial when you're trying to create a new reality, whether it's a new career path, a new hobby, or just changing a limiting belief. Positive momentum will help you build up steam until you feel like you're so hot, there's nothing you cannot do. Think of positive momentum as a snowball rolling down a mountain. It just gets bigger and bigger. Here are some steps I use to build momentum. The first hour in the morning is the most important part of the day. So wake up to a morning routine that you will do no matter what. No matter if you're tired, hate yourself, just do it. It's important to empty your mind as soon as you wake up so you won't get distracted by anything that doesn't help build momentum. Me personally, I do 30 push-ups, 20 crunches, and 15 squats. Then I go for a 10-minute walk. And during that 10-minute walk, I let go of anything that doesn't serve me. The second step is to focus your awareness on your goals. Because where your attention goes is where your reality is going to turn out. I recommend reading books that are relevant to your path, especially if you get easily distracted by technology. I know I am. I would check my email, and the next thing I know, I'm going down the internet rabbit hole, looking at reptilian conspiracy theory, which doesn't serve me at all. Plus, your brain is more active when you're reading than watching television. The third step is to surround yourself in an environment that supports your growth. A place where you can meet up with like-minded people who are on similar paths. You can take tips and bits of advice from them. Try the tips for yourself to see what works for you and drop what doesn't. If you're unable to find a group in real life, then join an online community like a Facebook group. But be careful not to join too many groups, since too much information can create mental masturbation, which overwhelms your decision making process. The fourth step is to take the first step toward your new path. It could be a small step like signing up for an open mic to sharpen your speaking skill, build a website to let people know what you do, or record your first YouTube video for your new channel. It's very important to get started so you can get the ball rolling. You don't want to be too hard on yourself during this stage, so take it one step at a time, but never stop. The next step is before you go to sleep, I recommend setting your intention for the next morning. You can also do affirmations related to the changes you're trying to implement. This will help reprogram the subconscious mind to work for you while you're sleeping. Isn't that neat? In the next video, I'll show you how to deal with the reality feedback loop, which is basically the universe way of testing you to see if you're ready to step into this new path or you'll fall under pressure.